Hey, this message that I'm recording is only for the men. If you're a man, this message is from the bottom of my heart uh, to yours. Recently, Mahakumbh Mela start ho gaya hai. There is a huge population going towards Mahakumbh, and it was just the beginning of the Mela. And to my surprise, which is not a surprise वैसे, I'll tell you in a second why. But टू माई सरप्राइज एक IITian बाबा हमें नज़र आए वीडियोस में, बहुत वायरल हो रहे हैं वो. तरह तरह के न्यूज़ चैनल्स, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ न्यूज़ चैनल्स आर मेकिंग वीडियोस विद देम, आस्किंग अबाउट देयर अवस्था. ये अवस्था है आपकी जो है, दिस आउटलुक दैट यू आर कैरिंग इज़ फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग. एंड he points out that I've been living like this for more than 3 years, 3.5 years, and which is fair. And when they asked the reason for being in this outlook, he said he brought out something which needs a lot of attention, and that's why I'm recording this message to make that message more concrete. He pointed out that there has been disturbance in his family from both the partners. ये उसका नाश करने में लगा है, ये उसका नाश करने में लगा हुआ है. तो उससे वो परेशान हो गए थे और इवेंचुअली जो भी सिचुएशन क्रिएट हुई वो निकल गए घर से. अब ऐसे सारे नहीं निकल सकते अपने घर से. मेरा फॉर एग्जांपल लेते, मैं इसी सिचुएशन से गो थ्रू कर रहा हूँ जहाँ पे एक इसका नाश करने में लगा हुआ है, एक उसका नाश करने में लगा हुआ है, और बीच में ये जो फुल ब्लोन मैन बन रहा है ना, वो कहीं ना कहीं सप्रेस हो रहा है. नाउ आई वांटेड टू रिलीज दिस suppression. What I did, I went for a 4 month long journey to travel all over India. I went from Kanyakumari towards Kashmir, and this was the biggest breakthrough for me from inside, not from outside. I've not built any house, I've not bought any car, I've not sold any company, but from inside, this has been $1 million breakthrough that I've got from this journey. And again, still, not a lot of people can even take out these 4 months from their life, and they are going through this cyclical process of suppression. And where is it coming from? Originally, it is coming from a generation above us. Where did they get it from? A generation above them. This suppression, these traumas for the men, specifically for the men, I can characterize this situation only for men. So this generational trauma, this generational upbringing is being passed on, and it is my moral responsibility to end it right here. I don't want to take this trauma to my kids or to any generation younger than me, be it in my office, be it at my home, be it in my neighborhood, be it anywhere. This generational trauma needs so much attention in these days that we men are so busy in our lives. We have to go for a day-to-day job. And what is this job? This job decides when you wake up. This job decides when you go to the bathroom. This job decides when you eat your food. This job decides when you want to go to sleep. This job decides when you are going out with your friends. This job decides when will you go partying. This job decides everything for you. And men are very busy with these jobs, right? They hardly make time for this suppression that they're going through from generations and generations of suppression. So it is my sincere request that we take this as an opportunity. These messages that are going around in the universe, this Baba wasn't just accidentally popped up in our videos. It was his 3.5 years of sadhana that brought him, when people experience such powers, they can actually control a lot of external things around them. And this was actually something very easy for him to do, to be a carrier of this message that can go beyond limits, right? It has already reached millions of views globally. So this message needs more attention, and that's why I'm making a video myself on this message. And I encourage you to take out 7 nights out of your busy schedule that you're going through, which is great. You should be busy. You should have all that energy is going in to make more money, or have a great settlement, have a great retirement plan, have a great education, whatever. But make some time, make some 7 nights out of your schedule where me along with other coaches, we have, and these are expert coaches by the way, we have trained for the last 4-5 years in our own journeys that it's no more about the experience that we are hosting. It's about this powerful group of folks curating an experience, a space for men to come together, heal ourselves, commit to our internal healing, commit to our inner discovery, and commit to being a better version of ourselves. I invite you to apply for this retreat. There is a Google form link that will be shared with you. You can apply for that instantly because the slots are open only for the next 2 weeks, and then after that we will close the applications and only take a selected few who are committed to their internal healing. So this is a men only healing retreat which is happening very near to Delhi. It's a complete disconnect from the urban life that we are all absorbed in, consumed in. Where we are going to go, there is no Zomato, there is no Blinkit. You instantly just cut off. You just cut off from all these things which are just being injected in your surrounding, in your environment. You cut off, you settle into a new environment, participate in all the activities, and what you go back from here with a renewed sense of purpose inside you. You know how the generational trauma has been passed on and how it will just stop here. It will not go forward. It will not go forward. Thank you guys. Om Shambho.